Crazy Chef, welcome back. So this beautiful setup you're looking at right here is actually the fact that I'm gonna make for you. Today we're making lobster rolls. And if you know about lobster rolls, there's two ways you can make it. You can make it with butter, or you can make it with mayo. Today we're doing both. So lobster rolls is a summer thing. It's very popular. Best lobster roll I would say is Cape Cod, Massachusetts, Boston, Maine, New York. They have good lobster roll, but the best lobster roll you can get is in New England. So let's get into the video. Let's get into the vibe. Let's dig into this fresh lobster meat we have right here. Nice thick claws. So we're just using CK, just claws and bodies today. So we're gonna break it up. We're gonna do one with butter, and we're gonna do one with mayo. So Crazy Chef, let's get into the video. Let's get into the vibe. And I have this random tomato rolls right here for no reason. I just figure it makes it look good. So random tomato rolls, nice fresh lobster meat, Crazy Chef with that vibe. So first roll, nice hot butter, salt, pepper, give it a mix. Lemon juice. Mix. Break your lobsters. Don't break them too small. Just give them like you still want it to be a little bit chunky. So lobsters in. I like to put, even though we're not using mayo, I still like to put a little celery, because I think celery gives it that vibe. And you know, if you follow my channel, you know I like to keep that vibe going. So lobsters in, butter, salt, pepper, celery. So what's missing now is, right now we're just missing bread. So nice soft roll. Nice soft roll. So we got a nice soft roll. Cut it in half. Some spring mix. So remember I talked about my random tomato rolls? So now we're gonna move the random tomato rolls from here to here. And then we're gonna take our lobster meat. I'm just gonna put it right there. I'm gonna put the lobster meat right there. It's so delicious. It's one ran away, but put it back. See how good that looks. So that's lobster roll number one. We'll give it a little twist of lemon. We'll give it a little garnish. A little lemon twist on there. Actually, we'll give it some lemon zest, just to keep it exciting. So as I said, best lobster roll, Cape Cod and New England, Mass. New York lobster roll is okay. a little zest of lemon, and we're good. So, lobster roll number 1. So now we're gonna do lobster roll number 2. And lobster roll number 2 is gonna be with mayo. So, mayonnaise in, salt, pepper, some celery, and lobster meat. So salt, pepper, celery, lobster meat. As always, a squeeze of lemon, then mix. That's your lobster salad. So, salt, pepper, celery, bread, nice soft bread, and put some lettuce. Lettuce on. And now we're ready to put. So now we're ready to put our lobster salad right on our bread. Falling soldier. So, as I said, best lobster roll, New England. Cape Cod, number 1. So Cape Cod is number 1 for lobster roll. And you can get them, once it's the summertime, you can get them anywhere on the Cape. So, there's our lobster roll. There's our lobster roll, lobster salad, butter. Crazy Chef, subscribe to the vibe, hit that like button, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about lobster roll. Let me know if you've ever had, if you rather have it with mayonnaise as a lobster salad, or you rather have it with butter, which is just plain old good lobster meat. Look at that. Look at that vibe. Lobster rolls, baby. Lobster rolls. Lobster rolls, baby. Lobster rolls. Look at that. Whether you like it with butter or you like it with mayo as a lobster salad. Cape Cod lobster rolls, New England lobster rolls are the number 1.